How to set up geofences on web. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle enters or exits a specific location? You can do that by setting up a geofence for that location inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a geofence, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Let's log in to LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Select Geofence module from the side navigation menu. A dashboard with all existing geofences will appear. Click on Add Geofence. Name the geofence. For example, I am calling mine Warehouse. You can then create a geofence for this location, either manually by searching for a location or using a vehicle's current location. Select Search Address to manually search for a location. Enter the address of the area you want to geofence. The latitude and longitude get auto-filled on selecting the location. Enter the geofence radius value to increase or decrease the area covered based on when you would like to be alerted on a vehicle's entry or exit. The geofence radius is in the shape of a square by default, but you can select the Draw Geofence to create your own custom-shaped radius. Now, select a geofence category to add the geofence to a group. This helps in organizing your locations when you have many vehicles or locations to track. You can also add tags to label your geofence. This helps in further categorizing your locations. Click on Save Geofence and you are all done. Your geofence is created. You can create as many geofences as you like. To set an alert for this geofence, select Alerts mole from the side navigation menu. Use the search bar on the top left to search for Geofence Alert. Select Geofence Alert and then click View Alert Settings under Geofence Alert. Click on Set Alert on the top right. Now, select the geofence you want to set the alert for. You can also select a geofence category to get alerts for the entire group of geofences. Select sub-username and vehicle group name to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Choose vehicles for which you want to create the selected geofence alert in the form of real-time notifications. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on web, mobile app, or email. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system,
book a demo now.